from India. I'm a software engineer. Right now, I'm doing my master's in data analytics at Manchester Metropolitan University. So today, my topic is augmented reality. I'm going to talk about augmented reality. This project was my final year engineering project. So yeah, let's get into it. So to understand augmented reality, the people mostly get confused AR, VR. So with the let me tell you what is AR and VR. So as you can see in VR, I need a special VR headset, and that take me to the different dimensions. And in AR, there is a 3D model, 3D object that is present over there. You need a mobile screen or a laptop camera. That will be fine. So cardiac AR, that's my project. So I'm going. It's a heart rate monitor application, but I have added augmented reality into it to make it more interesting. So let me get that. Yeah, you stand over there. I think you should stand over there so I can show them. So I have launched my application. Post it like that. Yeah, very good. This way. So as you can see, a 3D object of skeleton and a heart is bumping. So yeah, so I've superimposed it on this paper. Yeah, so that's augmented reality for you. Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, it's divided into three parts: heart, graphic, APK, and IoT. So it's designed in Unity 3D app. So hard graphic, it's designed in Unity 3D app. There in Unity 3D there are many templates available, but that are paid. But the skeleton you saw, it was made by us. Okay, APK part 2 is APK. So you can you make a project in Unity 3D, then you don't need to go to Android Studio. Like you can save your project in .apk file, and boom, your application is ready. You don't need to go to Android Studio. So the IoT part, we use particle photon and heart rate sensor to calculate the heart rate of a person. To elaborate on this, I'm going to show you a video, like it's working. So like, is there no sound? Is there no sound? Hmm? Mhm. This is on 100%.
Yeah. Which one? There? Speaker?
to implement all those augmented reality related topics
we are using Arduino particle photon to implement AR on this. We are using basic heart rate sensor which is connected ground and VCC to particle photon and A0. Basic type B USB. First of all, we are going to flash a code inside particle photon software, which is over here. This is basic code which we are going to implement over there. Then we are going to flash this code which is inside this. After this, we are going to just connect IoT system to Unity 3D, and we are going to start our main project framework, like by pressing a play button on Unity 3D. So this is basically our main framework. This is the main page over. We have encoded our code, and which is going to be superimposed on my body. You can see over here. This is done through webcam, and it is showing my heart rate by this. So it will take a few minutes to take a stable output, to give a stable output. Now it has given me the output which is 69 BPM, because our heart rate can be calculated in the form of BPM. That's why we used a basic heart rate sensor for it. And that's it. Our project is based on augmented reality, and this is our output. Thank you.
So yeah, so I did not have the IoT part. So IoT means IoT hardware with me right now. So I make this video. So it's like, yeah. So main aim is to I like to say is like, if we combine augmented reality with IoT, it's awesome. Like, let's just imagine if I like, it was skeleton in this project. So if you introduce like a chess board or a carom board, something like that, so it can do, just think big. Like, it can be something big too. The instrumental cost can be minimized if we use this. If we combine augmented reality with IoT, it can do awesome. Yeah. So yeah, thank you. Yeah. So, yeah. If you have any questions, yeah. No. Yeah.
So the photon.
Particle photon, yeah.
Particle photon
Yeah.
you mentioned, this is a specific. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
So the particle photon you mentioned,
Yeah.
is it like a technique for measuring, or is it a device?
It's Raspberry Pi. You might be knowing Raspberry Pi, yeah. So for the Unity or augmented reality, there is a specified chip. You have to use particle photon for that.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's specific.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Any other questions?
Any more questions? Okay, can we have another round of applause, please?
Thank you.